Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you are watching this video first time, subscribe my channel to see my more upcoming videos on analysis of different commodities and equity indices. And second important thing is to watch this video till its end to understand it solely to take your decision. Your one like will motivate me to be regular in working more hard for you. So let us start the day to analyze the movements of S&P 500 futures in different time frames. So friends, here you can see a monthly chart of S&P 500 futures, and here you can see that how the S&P 500 futures have tested a lifetime high during the week at the levels of 4711 and finally closed the week at the levels of 4685. So friends, here I find that this is the right time to go short this market, because I know that everybody wants to stay invested at this high, but here I find that complacency leads to denial because everything looks green here. I also want to remain invested here. So here I find that this is the right opportunity to come out of this market with our profits. So here I find that this is the right time to short this market before the herd wakes up and this market starts to move downward with a steep fall. So here I find that shortly we are going to see the end of this reporting season. Most of my friends ask me that when this crash is coming, what you talk about. So here I find that shortly we'll see this reporting season for this year is about to end, which could lead to final outcome of the current situation, where I find that the growing uncertainty due to the denting impacts of pandemic, which has impacted every sector. Undoubtedly, we are denying the final impact of this pandemic on each and every sector of this economy. We are just hopeful about the speedy recovery, which has led to a sharp increase in global equity markets that has thrown them in an overbought territory, where I find that currently we are going through various crises. One of them is mortgage crisis, what could impact the bank's profit margins, because most of the banks are heavily invested in real estate, could lead to financial crisis. And here I find that this type of situation could drag down the global equity markets to new lows. So friends, here I find that if the S&P 500 futures are not able to hold the immediate support at 4549 before the end of this month, we'll see this fall to continue, where I find that the next support can be seen at the 9 days moving average, which is currently at the levels of 4216. And I find that a big down before the end of this month below the 9 days moving average could confirm the continuity of a steep fall in S&P 500 futures. So friends, here I find that shortly we are going to see this fall to continue. So friends, here I find that before the beginning of March 2022, the S&P 500 futures could find a big down below 4029 that will finally define the long-term directional move for S&P 500 futures. And the next target for the S&P 500 futures could be 26 days moving average, which is currently at 3608. So friends, here I find that during the March 2022, the S&P 500 futures could even test these levels. Undoubtedly, this fall may continue if the S&P 500 futures are not able to hold this second support at 26 days moving average. We could see this fall to remain steeper below the levels of 3392. Here, a big down could lead to a steep fall up to the upper end of Ichimoku cloud, which is currently at the levels of 2875. Friends, now let's check this move in a daily time frame. So here in a daily time frame, here you can see the formation of an exhaustive candle on last Friday looks evident enough for the continuation of a steep fall in the S&P 500 futures, where I find that the opening on the first trading session of the upcoming week will confirm the continuity of this steep fall in S&P 500 futures. And here I find that if the S&P 500 futures start the upcoming week with a gap down opening below the levels of 4661, we'll see a sharp downward move up to 4627 during the upcoming week. And here I find that if the S&P 500 futures are not able to hold the next support at 4598 during the upcoming week, we'll see this fall to continue, where a sustained move below the levels of 4549 will confirm the continuity of next market crash. Because here I find that shortly we'll see the S&P 500 futures to test the 200 days moving average before the end of this month, which is currently at the levels of 4238. And here I find that if the S&P 500 futures are not able to hold the major support at 200 days moving average in December 2021, we'll see a steep fall that could lead to next market crash, where I find that the S&P 500 futures could end the year 2021 below the levels of 4029. And here I find that if the S&P 500 futures find a yearly closing below 4029, that will be a confirmation of next market crash. So friends, now let us check this move in an hourly time frame. So here in an hourly time frame, here you can see that currently the S&P 500 futures have closed the week well below the 9 days moving average. Undoubtedly, they have closed this week well at the 26 days moving average, which confirms a gap down opening on the first trading session of the upcoming week, where I find that if the S&P 500 futures start the upcoming week well below the levels of 4674, this will be an advent of a sharp fall which may continue during the upcoming week, where a breakdown below the 200 days moving average in an hourly time frame, which is currently at the levels of 4607, will confirm the continuity of a downward move during the upcoming week, where a breakdown below the levels of 4549 will confirm a steep fall ahead. So thank you friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.